So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 14th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Tevogen Bio Holdings. It is up today 200% or 76 cents, trading at $1.14. Since this morning, it already traded 180 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap of the company is roughly $400 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, it's a typical penny stock pharmaceutical company that is small and is searching for some kind of cure for an existing disease. And while it's searching for it, nobody cares about the company, nobody buys the stock, and pretty much it collapses. So 6 months ago, it used to trade at $2.50. Then it went all the way to 30 cents. And there was practically no trading volume in the last 6 months. So the company was pretty much dying. However, some kind of news arrived, I would say, in the last couple of days, but it was either very quiet or maybe the news did not play out as much as it used to. But the main thing is that the stock hit rock bottom around 30 cents, probably around like a week ago. Then it started to slowly kind of like trying to stabilize itself, even trying to get up. And finally today, I guess some kind of news arrived and it finally pushed back up where, it used to trade, frankly, 6 months ago. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because it looks like, especially for pharmaceutical companies, if they do in fact discover some kind of new cure for an existing disease, and especially if they got positive results for the clinical trials where a medication is being used to treat real people, then usually the market responds very cheerfully, and suddenly out of nowhere you got like millions of buyers who are trying to acquire those shares. So this is the case, I think, with Tevogen Bio Holdings. So the question is, how high will it go? So it's up to you to actually research the news that are driving the stock at this time, and kind of make a decision if this are long-term playing news which will carry the stock out of its resistance level and to much higher levels, maybe $3-4 a share, or maybe it's just a gimmicky news that don't really mean much and it's all hype. So, but in any case, take a look at this company, and if you decide it's good, inject some money into it. So, Tevogen Bio Holdings, stock symbol TVGN, only $1.14 a share. Next one is Verb Technology Company, stock symbol VERB. It is up today 66% or $5.28, trading at $13.19. Since this morning, the stock already traded 22 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $15 million. So I've been talking about this company already for like 2 or 3 days. So apparently some kind of breakthrough just came out of this company, and it's been crashing and burning for the last 6 months. It used to trade, listen to this, it used to trade at $40 a share back in April or May of this year, and then it pretty much collapsed from $40 like all the way to like $5. So, and but some kind of news is coming to this company. It keeps pushing it higher and higher. So the question is, how high will it go? Right now, if you inject some money into it, it's $13 a share. But if the upside potential is $40 a share, I mean, you could make around 300% profit here. So I would, if I were you, I would definitely take a look at the company, see what's going on there. But maybe it is an investable case, and you could actually make some money here. So, Verb Technology Company Inc., stock symbol VERB, only $13.19 a share. Next one is Rani Therapeutics Holdings, stock symbol RANI. So The stock is up 43% today, or 87 cents, trading at $2.89. Since this morning, it already traded 33 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $250 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, that's another case of a typical pharmaceutical penny stock. It used to trade at $8 a share 6 months ago. Then, on practically no trading volume, over the last 6 months, it collapsed from $8 all the way to like $2 a share. So nobody was interested in the company, nobody was trading it, and they probably announced some positive clinical results or clinical trials, and basically I think they're pretty close to their discovery. The main thing, if you could see here, is the word therapeutics. Any medication they produce, they call it, it's a therapy, just to cure you from some kind of disease or cure from some kind of symptoms. But the main thing is that they release some kind of news, the stock is trying to reverse itself. Even if you inject yourself right now in the stock at $2.81 and it goes to previous levels of $8, maybe $9, I mean, you will triple your money in that stock if it in fact has very solid and positive news. So, but it's up to you to take a look. So, Rani Therapeutics Holdings, stock symbol RANI. It is only $2.81 a share. Next one is XPON 360, stock symbol XPON. It is up today 45%, or $1.08, trading at $3.47. Since this morning, it already traded 25 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is tiny, only $2 million. So, not sure what this company does, XPON 360. So, but the main thing is that it's an interesting company. Guess what? 6 months ago, back in April of this year, it used to trade, listen to this, at $300 a share. Then, over the last 6 months, it pretty much collapsed to like $1. I mean, people thought the company will get delisted. It was hovering around, let's say, it's not even $1, probably even less, but it was hovering around $1 for the last 2 to 3 months, since August 12th. So no trading volume, the price is not going anywhere, it's super cheap. Suddenly some kind of news start to arrive. I would say on September 24th, that's when we had our first spike in trading volume, but the price did not move. So, and over the last, I would say, like a month and a half, there was some kind of trading volume that started to show up, like people were quietly acquiring the stock in anticipation of some kind of jump. So, and finally, I guess it happened. So, if I were you, I would definitely take a look and check what kind of news are hitting that stock right now, and make a judgment for yourself if this news are really powerful. Because if you decide to jump into that stock right now at $3.47, and this thing goes back to its previous levels of $300 a share, like it used to trade back on April 17th, then you could make 100 times your money. So take a look at the company, see what's going on there, but possibly, put some money into it. So XPON 360, stock symbol XPON, only $3.47 a share. By the way, if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website called PNNY.APP, and it will take you to my app for penny stock called Penny Gems. It is available for iPhone, Android, and Amazon tablets. It covers 2,000 penny stocks and gives you the best advice in the world. Thank you.